Hello guys, so we're gonna make a video about shapes for kids. So let's go to the intro our of our channel. Our channel is Pirate Academy. It's it's a fun channel to learn math. It's a fun channel to learn math and it makes it easy. So let's start out with some shapes. A rectangle, a diamond, or rhombus. As you go up, as you go to a different grade, and a circle. Let me just make another rectangle because I'm gonna make some. Okay, so let me decrease this. Okay, I want it to be match. Good. Now we got square, rectangle, diamond. Actually, we have a rhombus here. We have rhombus, so let's just cancel this. So these are the squares we're gonna mainly talk about today. The the square. I'm so this we're gonna talk later. So let me move this to somewhere else. Hey, let me move this. We'll just make this big. Decrease. I'm putting it right here. I'm just putting it right here so that we can just talk about these three. Actually, these four, because we're talking about triangles also. So these are the four main shapes that we're going to talk about. Squares, rectangles, triangles, circles, and later, this one, a rhombus. So a square has four equal sides and four equal angles. A rectangle, look, it's a little bit bigger. Okay. When you like this, look, aura. Oh, wow, that's aura. So if you fit this in, it'll take this much space, and this one because it's larger in size. Because these two equal and these two equal. These two equal and these two equal, but if you measure from this and this, they don't equal. So that's why the square is only called the equal shape, because it has four equal sides and four equal angles. A triangle has three sides and three angles. Good. A circle, this has three corners. A circle has no corners. So we know this has four equal sides, four angles, and four sides. And this has four equal sides. No. Four four equal angles, but not four equal. Yeah, not four equal ang not four equal sides, but four sides. So let's move this guy. Or could just move this guy. Oh, I draw a line. Okay. Let me move you somewhere else. I know that's kind of. You just put this right here. So I yeah, this has four sides. This is no. This is not the equal angles. Now let's go back. These are not equal. So that's another no for this. And then this one has three. And then it has three equals. So these two say a no, but this shape says a no to each all of them. Because it's a round shape. It's a round shape. So if like for example, a ball. A ball doesn't have any corners like a square puffy. It doesn't have any corners. So you see, these remember, this is called the eagle shape. That's how I call it. This is called the 4 by 3, 3 by 3, and the XXX. This is how I call it. 4 for 4, the equal shape. You don't have to see. This is 4 for 4, 4x4, 3x3, XXX. That's how I call it. Because, yeah. So now let's do a test. I'm giving you a few seconds to look at the other shapes before I cancel them. Before I cancel those hints. Doop, doop. I'm on the circle. If you know this, if you know all three, good. I mean, yeah, if you know all four, good job. How much sides does the square have? This has 1 up, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 equal sides. What about the 4 equal sides? Because they equal the same thing. What about a rectangle? How many corners does it have? Look, this is 1. Yeah, this is 1 corner. This is 2 corners. This is 3 corners. This is 4 corners. So there's 4 corners. So let's do a triangle then. Okay, how much angles does a triangle have? Look, 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 angles. Okay, this is gonna be a hard one. How many angles does a square have? Okay, angles are like these. Do, 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 do. It doesn't have any. So if you said if you said something above 0, you're incorrect. So you should have got like two out of four, two out of four plus on this. So now you know about these four. The next, I noticed some other shapes that I don't have here. There's a diamond, there's a circle, there's a rhombus, there's a triangle, there's a star, there's a heart, there's a cloud, but we can't have them today. You know why? It doesn't have the most really shapes. So we're just gonna talk about these. But we're not. But we're gonna talk about pentagons, hexagons, and octagons. We're gonna talk in the next video. We're gonna talk about hexagons. No, pentagons, hexagons, and octagons. And we're gonna learn about quadrilaterals, which means 4 sides. So, and we're making another video. So I hope you have a good day. Goodbye.